Hello guys, Mike MDs. We have a second gen Mini Cooper. Needs a new mirror. This one's broken here and you might have this issue. The ring on the back here breaks off the little holding tabs. The little holding tabs in there are plastic. You can't really get it back on. I have another video to kind of hack this and glue it, but the correct repair, of course, is replacing the mirror. And I already did it. I already put the new one on, but I'll take it back off, and it's a good opportunity to show you how to replace it yourself. All right, now first things first, you can get like a pick or some kind of wedge tool in here. And if you see this thing, you see a seam on this trim here. Well, you want to get it on the back side here. So you just take it off like this, pop it. It's like a clamshell. And I like to pop the left side off first. That's what I did, just like that. And the other one you can just do with your hand and pull it out here. I gotta move this mirror like that to get it out. And you can see how it slips into the back side of the mirror right here. So just don't go prying it, otherwise you will break this part off. So you want to remove the top first. You can see that there's a little clips on the top here. You see these little clips that are holding the sides together here. So taking the left side off is definitely better, I think. And based off this design, you can pull this straight out this way towards the back. It slides, but you can also twist it here. And the cool thing about this compared to the other cars is a lot of stuff is mounted on the windshield, and you definitely run a risk of ripping off the mount from the windshield. Then you need a whole new windshield or try to glue it back on, which never works. This one here is actually built into the body, which is great, so you can't really mess anything up. So you just want to twist it either way here. So I grab this here and then twist this way. I grab the mount up here as well and kind of give it a good twist. This one's difficult because it's brand new. The old one won't be so bad. Just like that. And right here you see a connector right here. You just take it off. Let's go back together. Slide this in like that. Get it in there nice and centered, and then twist it just like that. See? And then go back together. This side first. I twist the mirror to the left so I can get this part into the back side of the mirror. Just like that. Go the other side. This one in here. Center it and then clip the two together, front and back. That's it. Piece of cake. Hello. Thanks for joining me, Mike MDs. Guys, I'll see you on the next video. Happy motoring to you. And don't forget to put their little trinkets back on.